Hello, greater students! In Unit 2, we have been learning about matter and how factors such as heating and cooling can cause it to change. We are now in Lesson 4 of this unit. How does matter change? Here are this lesson's objectives: to observe the pattern that freezing and melting cause reversible changes to matter, to read the temperature on thermometer, and to discuss what the readings on the thermometer mean. Freezing and melting can cause reversible changes to matter. But what is a reversible change? A reversible change is a change that can be undone. Here is an example. We have here chocolate bars. It is in solid state. And if we want to change its state, we are going to apply heat to it. Now, if it is put into a hot pan, it will melt and will turn into a liquid. And if we want to turn it back to being solid, we are going to put it inside a fridge or a freezer. And after a few hours, if you take it out, it will be solid again. That is a reversible change. It means you can put it back to the way it was before. Let's watch this video and observe how cooling and heating change matter.
Here's a bottle of lemonade. Let's see what happens to the lemonade when it is put in the freezer overnight. Let's see what happened to the lemonade that I left in the freezer overnight. The lemonade is now a solid. The cold temperature caused it to freeze. I wonder, what will happen to the frozen lemonade if I leave it out on the counter overnight? Let's try it and see. Yesterday, I left a frozen bottle of lemonade on the counter. I wonder what happened to it. Let's find out. Look at the lemonade. It's turned back into a liquid. The warm air in the kitchen made the frozen lemonade melt. I wonder, does it still taste like lemonade? Yes, it's still lemonade. The freezing and melting haven't changed it a bit. Think I'll have another sip.
I know that you now have a better understanding of what a reversible change is. You observed that by heating and cooling, the state of the lemonade changed. Did you notice that in the video, they measured the room temperature and the freezer temperature? Do you know what tool they use to measure the temperature? You're right. We call that thermometer. I know that everyone is familiar with what a thermometer is. You use it to check if you have fever or you're feeling sick. Before we explore more about thermometer, let's learn some lesson vocabulary words. Thermometer. It is a tool used to measure temperature. Temperature, it is the degree or intensity of heat present in an object. And degrees, it is a unit of measurement in a thermometer. It is similar to kilograms or centimeters. This is a thermometer. Observed that the red thing in the middle is rising and dropping. If the temperature is rising, it means that it is getting hotter. And if it is dropping, it means it's getting colder. You would have noticed while watching the video that they measure the room and freezer temperatures. The room temperature has 70 degrees Celsius and freezer has 1 degree Celsius. Now, how much warmer is the room temperature than the freezer temperature? To get this, you will have to subtract 1 degree Celsius from 70 degrees Celsius, and you will get 69 degrees Celsius. So the room temperature is 69 degrees Celsius warmer than the freezer. Good job, everyone!